Hello, this is going to be the screencast for Team Spritzkuchen, and this is going to be our deliverable 4. Now here's pretty much what we first went over during our first meeting for deliverable 4, and this is pretty much our subjects and their time length. Now we should be able to see the diagrams. In our design documents, we have the communication diagram for join team, for join challenge. Next, the operational pattern for join challenge, as well as create team and join team. Now here's the implementation class model. It's a bit hard to read here, sorry about that. Next, sequence diagrams for add activity to challenge, add challenge to system, join team from the participant's perspective, the domain class model, as well as the activity diagram for manage challenge, again for the participant's point of view. And here's the system class model with all the actors being the participant, organizer, and admin here. Our use case diagram, and our user interface, color-coded so it's a bit easier to read. Next, here's what happened when the payment method is declined and accepted. Going on when we enter a challenge, as well as selecting a challenge. And here's the persona that we decided to go through. And here's our review section from the feedback we got from deliverable 3. And pretty much for our syntax, we basically just reviewed previous diagrams for slight issues. And the personas thing was optional, but we kind of went over it with Melahas, and she said it wasn't really needed, especially since we looked in the documentation. For the system class diagram, fixed associations, organized entities, and stereotypes, and we did have missing multiplicities, so we went ahead and fixed that. And our domain class model, again, missing multiplicities and associations. And our operational patterns, we just had to review those because there were some slight inconsistencies. And moving on to consistency and abstraction, our diagrams, they did form one design model. We were told that gladly. And gladly, we also use the correct level of abstraction. We just have to fix up the domain and system class model involving payment method. And we did meet our requirements, so that was actually good on our part. I'm glad we did it. And with that, I'll just end it here.